So my friend was like, what's a can opener? What's a cabbage patch? What's a sprinkler? You're making a big, gigantic salad. Got a package. I think I know what it is. Mini Burlock. Yes! It's from Derwent. Oh. Extra large graphite blocks. Yes! Ooh. Got these like 6 really nice tones. It looks like a, let's see here, looks like there's an olive green and a kind of dark Prussian blue, and then raw umber and some really nice gray tones. So the colors are really great. I think what I like about it is the natural color palette. It's nice and soft. And check this out, they're nice and big and thick. So you can really vary your marks. You can get like sideways and you can get really fine. So funny thing is I have this history with charcoal and graphite. And when I was learning how to draw, I used to draw with graphite and charcoal on location when I was learning how to reportage draw. And my mentor at the time, my teacher at the time, Dave, he sort of laughed at me, like, because he almost knew what was going to happen, drawing with charcoal and graphite. You're going to get really messy. And so I used to come back at the end of the day, we would draw for like 8-10 hours a day or something on location. And I would come back and I would have like charcoal and graphite all over my face and all over my shirt, and he would just laugh at me and he would say, you look like we're just in a fight. So that's actually when I first learned to draw, I was drawing with lots of graphite and chunks of graphite and charcoal. Something else in there. Ooh. Yes! This is so sweet. And these look like sort of your traditional charcoal blocks. I can't wait to get messy with these. Look at that. It's such a nice quality to the entire thing, the package and the blocks themselves. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. Maybe you can see it in the light, but it's got a nice sort of stamp on the block right there. It says extra large charcoal. So you know what? I gotta draw with these. It's kind of like we're all dressed up for the dance. Now we gotta go dance. So now I gotta draw something with these, and I can't think of what I'm gonna draw, but definitely gonna give them a spin. So let's go dance.